Hello guys, this is Muhammad Abbas from Pakistan. Welcome to my channel Learn English Grammar with Muhammad Abbas. If you like my videos, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. Guys, in this video I am not going to explain any kind of grammatical topic. Now you must be thinking that why I am not going to explain any grammatical topic. So don't think too much, okay? Otherwise you will be old before your times. So in this video I am going to explain or I am going to debate on education system of Pakistan. I am going to explain that which kind of education system in Pakistan is. So see, the Pakistan education, the system of education in Pakistan is generally divided into 6 levels. So I am going to explain step by step. Step by step, level 1, level 2, level 2, 6. So see the level 1. Level 1 is preschool. Now what does it mean? What does it mean and how many grades are there, or how many students, which kind of students are allowed, or what is the limit of age in this school? So in preschool, those students can study who are 3, 4 or 5 years old. Only 3, 4 or 5 years old students can study in preschool. After this level, we have another level which is called primary school. Primary school, yes. Now, how many grades in this school, or which kind of students are allowed to study in primary school, and what is the limit of age? So see, in this level, primary school, 6 grades are there, or 5 grades are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 1 to 5 grades are there to be studied in primary school. So students are allowed, after preschool, those students are allowed who finished or graduate from preschool, then they can promote to primary school. So in primary school they have to spend almost 5 years. We have 5 grades, so they have to spend 5 years. Is this clear, guys? After this level, there is another level which is called middle school. Now, how many grades are there, and how many years a student should spend in middle school? There are 3 levels or 3 grades in middle school. See, 6, 7 and 8. These 3 grades are going to be passed or studied by a student in middle schools. So a student has to spend 3 years, almost 3 years in middle school, because we have 3 grades. Without failing, if a student fails, then he must, spend more than 3 years. But if he passes all the, 3 grades at first attempt, then he can, promote it to another level, and this level he can only spend 3 years. Is this clear? Now, what is the another level? Another level is high school. After middle school, we have high school, right? And how many grades are there? In this level, we have only 2 grades. Only 2 grades. What are those? They are 9 and 10. In high school, we have to spend 2 years without failing. If a person fails, I told you that if a student fails in 9 or 10, so then he must spend more than 2 years. But if a person passes all the 2 of them at first attempt, then he can just spend 2 years. So in high school we have to spend 2 years, and only we have 2 grades, 9 and 10. Is this clear? After this, we have another level which is called college. After high school we have college, right? Here it has 3 names. I wrote just college, but it is also called secondary school or intermediate school. Is this clear? But I wrote college because in Pakistan most people are saying that college. So how many years do we have to study in college, or how many grades are here? There are 2 grades, the same like in high school. We have 2 grades in college as well. So The same, I told you that we can only spend 2 years in college without failing. So we have 2 grades and we have to pass them at first attempt. Is this clear? After this, we have the last level, which is university. This is the last level in Pakistan of education. After this, we are graduated from school. But how many years do we have to spend in university? Almost we have to spend 4 years in university. We do not have a kind of grades in this, but we have semester, right? You may know that. But if I tell you that, I consider that, we have grades as well. In this level, I mean in a university, we have 4 grades as well. 13, 14, 15 and 16. So we have 4 grades and we have to spend almost 4 years in university as well. After this, we are graduated. After university, we are graduated. Is this clear, guys? Now in Pakistan, we have 2 kinds of education. One is called education and another one is called co-education. So what's the differences between them? Education is this. Education is a kind of education where only boys can study. Only boys can study without girls, right? And co-education means that if a boy or girls are studying together, that is called co-education. Is this clear, guys? And next video I will talk about facilities. Now I just describe the levels of education, but in next video I will talk about facilities of education in Pakistan, inshallah. So now I explained that we have 6 levels of education in Pakistan. Now I must want to know about your education system as well. Your country education system as well. So if you explain me briefly in comment box, I will be grateful, or I will appreciate it. So you must write something or describe about something your education, your country education system, so that I will come to know whether we have the same system of education or we have the different system of education. So you are allowed to describe your education system in comment box. I will check that. Okay. So if you guys like my videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. Thank you.